I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter combo that likes playing in hair and makeup. That's Cray, and that's me. Today's video is a wig installation featuring Angel Face by Sensational. There's the card that it comes with, all the colors that it comes in. We did ours in a color 2. She's showing you the cap construction, has combs, and it's a natural Yaki texture and curls with a deep center part. Okay, she's ready for the quick installation. It's not going to take that long. I'm adjusting the straps in the back for a snug fit. Placing it on her head. She's helping. Making sure it fits right. And we're trying to get all those little baby hairs that come with it. They're a little long, but we do what we do with them. I'm sure we got them all out. The lace is a little funny color. Hope you like this video. If you do, hit the thumbs up button. We're using Got To Be gel on our little swoops. I didn't cut any of the baby hairs. We're just swooping them back into the wig. Getting on the other side.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
We'd love to talk to you. Give us a comment. We always reply back. Using some Bedhead hairspray to help with the adhesion of the wig. Just spraying it on top of the lace. And wrapping it down with some paper hair strips to help it melt into her skin a little bit. It's also helping lay down the baby hairs. And as you can see, this wig is long, but beautiful, very soft. Combing it out a little. Not much tangling, just at the very ends. Now I'm using the curling iron just to get rid of that little humpage in the middle and the back. And gonna use it up in the front to give that little hump in the front. I don't know what you call that, but lifting the hair some away from the face. Be careful. Try not to turn your heat up too high because it kind of eliminates the texture. We're using our hair fetish contour palette to darken the lace a little. And if you really like this video, please share with your friends and family. We're highlighting that part. Time for the strips to come off. Okay, you see the slight discoloration between her complexion and the lace of the wig? Kind of blended it in with her foundation. We do a little more blending in off camera. Just styling it a bit.
Everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
And she's showing you that texture and the length. Please subscribe if you enjoy our content. It's a very pretty wig. And she's showing you the length compared to others. Comes down to her waist. Now mind you, she's 6 foot, really 6'1", so it's a very long wig. Hope you enjoyed our look. Now let's show you how it all comes together.
Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.
Thanks for watching.